Welcome back to the Camp Nou Vision. In today's video, once again, we are going to take a full walkthrough of the stadium and check the latest construction progress happening across different zones. From structural assembly to ongoing installation work, there are several new developments that show how fast the project is moving step by step. Right now, the site is going through continuous changes, and today we'll break down exactly what has been updated and what's currently in progress across the stadium. Work on the compression ring continues with steady progress as large structural elements are being assembled and positioned across multiple upper sections of the stadium. Heavy components such as radial beams, pillars, and connecting pieces are being lifted and aligned step by step, forming the main framework that will support the roof structure. Workers are actively operating lifting platforms to secure each piece in place with precision. At the same time, the assembly process is moving gradually from one segment to another, with different parts of the structure being connected simultaneously. Some areas are already showing more advanced installation, while others are still in preparation stages, indicating a continuous but phased development of the overall ring system. Workers have started installing the vertical support pieces for the future llamas in the south goal area. These supports are placed close to the black beams, showing the compact final facade design. Activity has restarted in this sector after remaining quiet for some time. A concrete pump was also visible nearby, confirming that structural work is still continuing in different hidden areas of the stadium. One of the biggest updates today is that crews have started installing the first llama anchors in this sector. At first, the area looked unchanged, but closer inspection revealed newly mounted anchors beside the lifting platform, while workers were actively positioning another one during filming. Near the mobility core structures, there are still no major visual changes in the upper llama connections, but the existing support structures remain clearly visible. Some upper and lower supports are already mounted, although several diagonal connection pieces are still missing in this sector. This is likely because workers still need access to paint the black beams and exposed bolts behind the structure. Interestingly, another nearby section already has these diagonal connections installed, showing that progress is moving at different speeds across the stadium. Moving into the lateral side area, more structural material has arrived on site, including another massive phalange section, along with several radial beams and support pillars already prepared below. One unique radial beam that had remained on the ground now appears to have been lifted into position above, showing continuous progress in the upper roof structure. The underground parking is also moving forward with steady progress across multiple basement levels. Ventilation, lighting, and access systems are being installed while workers continue finishing structural details. The space is designed for thousands of vehicles and includes connections for elevators and stair cores linking directly to stadium areas. Overall, the parking structure is becoming more functional and clearly moving toward completion step by step. Above the mobility cores, workers have already completed painting many of the black beams and exposed bolts. Because of that, diagonal support connections for the llama structures are now being installed much faster across this section. Several areas already look nearly finished, with both vertical and diagonal supports fully connected together. Compared to the south goal side, this sector has advanced very quickly in terms of llama support progress over the last few days. The lateral area continues showing intense construction movement everywhere. Multiple lifting platforms are operating at the same time, while workers remain active around parking entrances, upper structures, and radial beam access systems. Additional temporary work platforms are also being delivered continuously. These structures are necessary for crews to safely move around the radial beams once they are installed higher into the roof structure. Above, new protective railings are gradually appearing around recently installed compression ring sections, allowing crews to safely continue working at higher elevations. At the corner section, another large pillar equipped with yellow lifting components is now positioned and appears ready for installation into the upper structure. Nearby structural zones that previously looked incomplete are now much more advanced. Workers have added many additional beams in recent days, significantly improving coverage across this part of the stadium framework. One of the most important developments today comes from the corner section where crews continue preparing for the first llama installation. Workers are actively aligning anchor systems and adjusting the support guides. Lifting platforms remain constantly present in the area, proving that preparations are ongoing almost continuously. At this point, the first llamas in this corner feel extremely close. If not this week, then very likely sometime next week. Large numbers of llamas are already stored nearby, waiting for installation to officially begin in this sector. Workers were also seen operating around the horizontal beam structures that will support the black sandwich panels. Some nearby sections already have these sandwich panels installed, while this corner is still being prepared before installation begins. The support framework is gradually expanding, showing that facade work continues spreading around the stadium exterior. From a panoramic view, the stadium's scale becomes increasingly impressive, with every visit revealing noticeable changes across multiple construction zones. At the north goal corner, a major milestone has now been completed. 2 large llama sectors are now fully covered, including the section that was only half finished during the previous visit. This confirms that installation speed has increased significantly over the last few days. The next neighboring section already has all anchors prepared, meaning crews can soon continue extending llama coverage even further around the stadium. However, lower interior llama installation has not started yet, because workers still need to finish painting the rear black beams and exposed bolts behind the structure. Workers were clearly seen using rollers to paint the exposed beam structures black behind the llama supports. This step is necessary before lower llamas can be installed. Otherwise, the finished panels could become stained during painting operations. This explains why some upper areas already contain llamas, while lower interior sections remain temporarily unfinished. Elsewhere in the north goal area, construction movement was relatively calm, although crews continue operating around multiple internal work zones. Further along the north goal side, many additional sandwich panels are now prepared on site for upcoming installation work. Workers appear to be cutting or adjusting certain panels before lifting them into place, likely to ensure perfect alignment with the structure. Meanwhile, more lifting platforms are operating around the black beam areas where additional llama support systems are being installed. Some of the vertical support connections in this area are extremely short, meaning the llamas will sit very close to the black structural beams once installed. Closer to the next corner section, additional vertical and diagonal llama support pieces are now appearing across multiple sectors. The supports gradually change angle and height as the structure curves around the stadium geometry, creating the flowing exterior design that will define the final appearance of the roof. A concrete pump was also positioned nearby, suggesting more structural concrete work may soon begin in upper sections. On the Tribuna side, several lifting platforms remain active around the upper black beams and llama support structures. Workers were also seen lifting fresh reinforcement steel materials into the first cantilever level, something that had not been commonly visible recently. Construction crews continue operating across the scaffolding areas and upper platforms, although visually this sector remains calmer compared to the intense activity around the lateral zones. Some llama support sections here are still waiting for their diagonal connection pieces before installation can continue further. Workers continue welding and assembling new structural support pieces in the final corner section, with one crew appearing to weld connection components directly onto the vertical beam structures where future llama supports will later attach. Additional teams remain active throughout the lower and interior levels. While work across the stadium continues advancing with llama preparation, sandwich panel installation, and structural assembly progressing simultaneously in multiple sectors. That's it for today's update. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Camp Nou Vision so you don't miss any future construction updates as the stadium continues evolving day by day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.